Two heart attacks but completely different stories. The differences between anterior and inferior wall myocardial infarctions arise from their anatomical location and nerve supplies. Anterior wall MI occurs due to blockage of left coronary artery supplies a large portion of left ventricle, while inferior wall MI occurs due to blockage of right coronary artery which supplies the inferior wall of the heart. Blockage of either artery causes myocardial ischemia. The ischemic tissue releases chemical distress signals that activate pain pathways. From here, the story changes. In anterior wall MI, the signal travels through sympathetic pathway, entering higher thoracic segment T1 to T4 and converging with somatic efferent from chest, arm and jaw. Then ascend via the spinothalamic tract to the brain. But in inferior wall MI, the signal travels through both sympathetic pathway and vagus nerve. Through sympathetic fibers, they enters lower thoracic segment T5 and T6, converging with efferent from epigastrium and ascend to the brain. At the same time, the vagus nerve carries signal to the medulla, triggering a parasympathetic response. The brain can't differentiate between the somatic and visceral signals and project the pain according to sensory homunculus. So in anterior wall MI, the pain radiates to left arm, but in inferior wall MI, pain is felt as epigastric discomfort or acidity. Same organ, same disease, but anatomy changes the story. By knowing the difference, you may save a life.